Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HUAWEI MatePad Pro and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do it is open an application which supported. It can be settings, Google website, internet application, something what have more than you have on the one side of screen, where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press power care and volume down together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. Sorry, my bad. I did it again. And after that we tap on scroll. And now it is scrolling. We must tap to stop it when we have all in it. Maybe now. And now after a second we have our long screenshot with much information than normal one. To save it in our gallery we press this icon on the right corner, and that's all. Thanks for watching, bye!